China, India 1-1 after the men's doubles. I assume that you guys are pretty satisfied today, now.
Uh, yeah, pretty satisfied with our win, but we wanted to do well for the team. So we always like to play our team events match. It's like very fun with our Indian team all the time. So this time we have like more understanding with the team. So it was going well. So we wanted to give 1 point. So happy with the performance.
Chirag, what was the things working out for you guys today?
Well, I think we the tactics that we came into with this match in this match, I think were pretty good. I think we were able to, I think, keep the shuttle as low as possible, and while defending, we were a lot more steadier than we are normally. So I think that really worked well for us, and I think also the cheering from the stands, the Indian team was really good. It definitely pumped us up even more. And yeah, I think we are really happy to give 1 point to the team.
Talking to fans, reading at forums, talking to other media, I get the feeling that a lot of people are actually looking at you as one of those pair who maybe can medal at the World Championship, maybe even win the World Championship. Can you try to explain a bit about that journey you guys are on at the moment?
Yeah, like we don't. First of all, we don't want to think so much about that. So after when we played Olympics, we understand our level. We can play till top two, top one level, so we can beat anyone on that day. So after that, we got a break. Then we are back again. So we wanted a good match to get back into the rhythm. So we thought like we'll enjoy this match. There is no pressure on ourselves. So we want to get that rhythm. So happy with that. We got the rhythm. So again, then we are like we have many tournaments back to back. Then we have to be in fit, and world championship is there. Like so many tournaments are there. We have to in good position as well for the world championship. We shouldn't be tired at the end. So we have long tournaments. I had like 5 6 tournaments, then world championship. So it depends on our body as well. We don't want to injure ourselves. We want to keep ourselves fit. So we are thinking on that. We are not thinking about the results. We want to keep ourselves and give our 100% in world championship.
But Chirag, it's no secret that the men's doubles group in general is actually quite equal and quite strong. Where do you see yourself positioning in that group of pairs?
I think, like you said, I think all the top, I think top 10 definitely, and even the top 15, I think, are at an equal level. I think the world number one can lose to the world number 15, or the world number 15 like can beat the world number two also. So I think it's the group is pretty equal, and it always depends on the day who plays and who has better tactics on that day. That pair wins. So I think it's quite an equal group, and yeah, I think right now we are 10 in the world, but we definitely believe that we can enter the top 5.
One thing is what you are on paper. You're number 10 in the world.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
But do you see yourself as the top part of the group, the middle part of the group, or the bottom part of that top group?
Well, I think when we are at our best, I think we definitely can be in the top 5, and that is our aim to be. I think next year we'll definitely want to be in the top 5, and that is definitely our goal.
But what do you guys need to improve to actually consistently then be in that top group? Because you say,
Yeah.
if we do our best,
Yeah.
but let's be fair to say that's not
Yeah.
always the case.
Yeah.
What do you need to improve?
So I think we are focusing on that, like that consistency. While in the tournament, we can play one tournament good, and then we are like again 50-50. So we are not up to there. So we want to maintain that fitness level as well. So we are focusing on that. So when Matthias came, we learned a lot of things with him. So he told all these things. So it was going pretty good.